In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Temu coins for maximum discount. Temu coins can be a fantastic way to save money if you know how to leverage them properly. So let's dive in and find out how you can use those coins effectively to get the best bang for your buck. First, let me share a few ways you can collect these valuable coins. You can earn coins daily by simply logging into your Temu app, completing any available missions, participating in seasonal events, and even by referring friends. The key here is to be as active as possible because the more engaged you are, the faster you'll see your coin balance grow. This can significantly enhance your ability to save on future purchases. Now, once you've amassed a good number of coins, here's where the fun begins. You'll want to access the credit section in the app. This is where you can exchange your coins for discounts, coupons, or even sometimes score-free items. It's a good habit to always check this section before you make a purchase, since you can find some of the best deals available right there waiting for you. So, to get started, open your Temu app and navigate to the user icon located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and then proceed by selecting your credit balance. This will show you how many coins you've accumulated and what you can potentially trade them in for. An important tip here is to resist the temptation of redeeming your coins for small discounts or minor product savings. Instead, let your coins accumulate to unlock larger coupons, like those offering $5 or $10 off a purchase. By doing this, you'll get better savings for each coin spent, stretching your discounts further. But there's more. You can amplify these savings even further by combining your coin discounts with any active promo codes and tapping into flash sale prices. It's this strategic stacking that can shrink your total cost significantly, sometimes by as much as 30 to 70% if you time everything just right. Maximizing your overall savings is what makes this approach really shine. After you've made a purchase, keep an eye on the price of your item. If it drops within 30 days, take advantage of Temu's price adjustment feature. You can request a credit for the difference, which then gets added to your balance for future use. This strategy not only boosts your savings, but also feels like you're winning twice. Finally, don't overlook Temu's fun side with games, giveaways, and contests. These offer excellent opportunities to earn extra coins and credits. Not only can they enhance your discount potential, but they sometimes even reward you with free items. Remember, saving money with Temu coins comes down to being informed, strategic, and engaged. Follow these steps and tips, and you'll be well on your way to maximizing your savings. Thank you for watching, and happy saving.